So let's say you're outside and it is sunny and you need to diffuse the situation. There are a few ways that you could, make the light a little bit more attractive on you or your subject or whatever it is. For example, you could easily just adjust your exposure, but that's not going to take care of shadows so much. If you don't want to adjust your camera settings, or if you want to keep that ISO low instead of high, or you want to, whatever it is, you could do something like a neutral density filter. But again, that's not going to fix the shadow situation. So if you need to diffuse the situation, you need to do something else. This is me using a neutral density filter right now, a 3-stop neutral density filter from Wine Country Camera, right on top of the lens, and just doing vlogging style. You can see that it's still not going to get rid of the harsh sun. It does let me get a better exposure, but that's about it. Hey, this is Scott Wenkiewicz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, we're going to be talking about diffusing the bright light situation. A quick thank you to Mac Worldwide Warranty for partnering with me on this video. I get a Mac Worldwide Warranty on all of my camera equipment, including the camera that I'm filming on right now. Check out the Mac Worldwide Warranty, especially their Diamond Warranty, which covers accidental damage. You can't go wrong. This might look like it's a reflector. This might look like it is something that would enhance the light on a face, but it's actually something different. So let's say you are out and it is sunny and you are videoing or photographing a model and you just need to diffuse that sun situation. There's something you can use like this, which will actually do the job. That I know looks like a reflector. It kind of, it's basically a reflector without the reflective material. It is a diffusion screen. All you have to do is put it in place of the subject and the sun, like so. Yes, I'm just holding it over my head, and that is all you need to do. Hold on a second. So I know that this looks like a reflector. It is not a reflector. It is actually a diffusion screen, and all I have to do to diffuse this sun situation is to put it in between the sun and my subject's head. You can see that I am now diffused. I have softened the light that is over my head. I am blocking the sun. I am shaded. I am no longer squinting like I was without this, but I'm diffused. I have diffused the situation for $10. Yes, only $10, and I can completely diffuse the situation where the sun is overbearing and messing with my exposure. Now here's the thing. This is a ProMaster diffusion pop-up diffuser, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what they call it. And it's inexpensive. But if you've got a subject or you're doing a scene where you need multiple people or the sun is too big for what this one pop-up can do, it is going to cost you more money for a bigger diffusion panel. But still, they're not that expensive. In fact, what you could do is one of those pop-up tents that a lot of people use for tailgating or for garage sales or things like that. It's basically an 8x8 pop-up tent that's just a white top. No pattern, no color, just white. And that will do the same thing, and you can anchor it to the ground, and you can even do headshots under it. Inexpensive. Diffuse that situation.